How to disable auto execution of terminal commands in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable the auto execution of terminal commands from Google Antigravity's agent. So if your Google Antigravity agent is automatically putting up commands or running the commands in the terminal and you do not wish this to happen as you find it a security concern, so let me show you how you can disable this particular feature. So to do this, simply go to the settings of your anti-gravity, which is present onto this particular toggle just beside your profile picture, and click onto the open anti-gravity user settings. Now from here you will need to click onto the agent option, and just within the terminal you will see the setting that is terminal command auto execution. So here are two settings. The first one is always proceed, which means that agent never asks for confirmation before executing terminal commands except those in the deny list. And the second one is the request review, where agent always asks for confirmation before executing terminal commands except those in the allow list. So you can either click the always proceed or the second one, which is request review. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.